Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. So today we have come up with a very interesting video for you all. We will be converting some of the old products into new products using transfer me sheets. So first we are taking a glass surface and a spray paint which is easily available in the market. Now spraying a white paint all over the bottle. You can take any color of your choice. After you are done with spraying, leave the bottle and let it dry completely. You can leave it overnight. We have even covered the cap of the bottle. Also, we have taken a phone case and painted it too. These are the transfer me sheets from brand Dress My Craft, and each sheet will cost you 125 rupees. And there are a lot of varieties in this, so we will be listing down the varieties in our description box, so if you want to buy you can check out the link. We are choosing this for our bottle and fussy cutting it out. Remove the clear sheet which is on the top and then dip it in water upside down. Now leave it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then take it out from water and place it on your surface upside down like shown in the video. Gently dab the sheet and now slowly slide the white sheet downward and let it dry. Do not touch it for some time. Isn't it looking amazing? So let's see it once more. If you are enjoying our video, then please make sure to subscribe our channel so that you stay connected with us. Now for the phone case, we are taking another transfer. Simply repeat the process that we have shown you previously. These transfer me sheets can be used in literally any surface like wood, glass, paper, plastic, fabric, silicone, steel, wall and whatnot. This will give any project a good makeover and change the look completely. Now let's have a look onto our final product. Now this bottle has completely changed. Imagine this was a milkshake bottle. Now it has completely changed into a showpiece. And this mobile phone case, it is looking simply beautiful. We have done it on a wood surface too, and then we have sealed it with a varnish. We really hope that you liked the video. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed the tutorial. Until next time, bye bye, take care.